So here is the Baseus Security S2 outdoor camera. It comes packed with features like dual radar plus PIR detection, stunning 4K resolution, 2 times faster built-in solar charging, 24/7 surveillance, and an auto sun-powered tracking system designed to extend battery life. But are these features just marketing claims, or do they actually deliver in real-world use? Let's take a closer look and find out. Right out of the box, you'll find the S2 outdoor camera, a screw mounting bracket, a screw pack, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now let's get it set up. First, download and install the Baseus Security app on your smartphone, and create an account. Once registered, simply follow the on-screen instructions to add the camera to your device list. For installation, start by choosing a location that provides the ideal viewing angle. Baseus recommends mounting the camera approximately 7 to 10 feet or 2 to 3 meters above the ground for the best coverage. Next, drill the mounting holes using a 15/64 inch or 6mm drill bit. Insert the expansion bolts into the holes, attach the mounting bracket securely, and tighten the camera in place. Once mounted, adjust the viewing angle while monitoring the live feed through the Baseus Security app to ensure you're getting the coverage you want. One thing many users look for in a smart security camera is smart home compatibility. And thankfully, the Baseus S2 supports Google Home integration. Before starting, make sure your Google Home device is connected to Wi-Fi and powered on. Also ensure that your Baseus Security camera has already been added to the Baseus Security app. Open the Baseus Security app on your phone. Tap Settings, then select Works With, and choose Google Assistant. Find your device and tap to enter. Next, tap Login with Google Assistant, then select Link with Google Assistant. Wait for the connection process to complete, then tap Agree and Link. Once linked, locate your device, assign it to the appropriate room, and navigate to the Devices section. Your camera should now appear in the device list, confirming a successful connection. With everything set up, you're ready to ask Google Assistant to display the live feed from your Baseus S2 camera on compatible Google Home devices. The Baseus Security S2 also works with Amazon Alexa, making it easy to access live camera feeds across your Alexa-enabled ecosystem. Before beginning, ensure that your Alexa device is connected to Wi-Fi and powered on. Also, confirm that your security camera has already been added to the Baseus Security app. Steps to connect with Amazon Alexa. Open the Baseus Security app on your phone. Tap Account, then Settings, followed by Works With. Select Amazon Alexa and choose your device. Tap Login with Amazon account, then Sign in with Amazon. After signing in, tap Link to complete the connection process. Once the app confirms that linking was successful, return to the Amazon Alexa app. The newly connected camera should now appear within the Alexa Devices section. From here, you're ready to ask Alexa to display the live feed from your Baseus S2 camera on supported devices such as the Echo Show, the Echo Spot, or the Fire TV. That's all for our setup tutorial of the Baseus Security S2. With AI dual detection and face recognition and 4K Ultra HD full color night vision, it delivers smarter monitoring and clear, detailed footage day or night, making it a great choice for outdoor security. We hope this video helped guide you through the setup process. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.